Each box. Each box contains. Welcome back to our channel.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Follow us at Toys Are Life TV.
Let's get this video started.
Welcome back, guys. We have the Hairdorables. Big hair, don't care.
I'm here.
Oh, Nicole here.
Forgot to introduce.
There's 36 dolls to collect.
36! They have 36 different hairstyles.
Yeah.
Mind blowing. Oh my gosh.
This is from Series 1.
Yeah.
We have...
A lot to collect. A really a lot to collect.
There are 11 surprises inside.
Yeah.
There's a collector list.
Yeah. Okay, what do we have? The collector's
I said that already. Comb. Four stickers, you guys.
Where do we stick them?
On your nose. And then shoes. 2 mystery accessories.
Mystery?
It's a mystery.
Mystery?
1 signature card. And, oh, there's a doll.
There's a doll.
No, there is
Maybe
a doll.
somebody would already dupe us again without the doll. Like the... that got me stressed.
Oh, they are on YouTube. Hairdorables.
YouTube?
Channel. Yeah. So, these are probably the dolls that you're gonna get.
I love their hair. I want
Yes.
big hair like them.
So, that's the other side.
Can I get big hair like them? Okay.
Okay, we can start unboxing this. Is there an appropriated place?
Probably.
I think so. Oh, this one.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Ooh. Ah. Okay. And then I pull it from here. Do I?
I think you can just pull this hair on that side. You can do it, Ella. Okay.
Oh. I'm feeling a little thing.
You can just pull it from here. Pull it from here and then pull it down. There you go.
That's
And
nice. That, oh my gosh.
We have a background.
That was nice.
Like a stage.
Oh. Maybe we have like an idea what we'll get based on from the background, but
Maybe.
we don't. We're gonna check the checklist first, and then we have the boxes from this part.
It says here, stop. Open this one last. I think the
Okay.
doll is here.
Probably.
Okay, so there are numbers here. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah, and we'll place that as a background. Maybe we'll use it in
Yeah.
the picture. What are you doing?
It's not centered.
There, it's a little bit centered. There you go. There. I
Yeah.
guess. So
Okay.
here's a checklist: a big
checklist.
hair,
Big hair.
dog hair.
Dog
Ooh,
hair.
that's a pony.
It's a unicorn. It's a unicorn. And there is a collector list. You have Noah. Okay, Noah can have. You can have either one of the.
The thing,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
He spells
And then
Noah.
I was like, it paused. I had a pause because I was like, how is there like 20 something to collect when there's like
36.
36 to collect when there's only like a few? And I was like, maybe I can do this one here. Then I was like, no,
Nah.
change your hairstyle. Then I was like, oh, okay.
Okay, so there's Noah, there's Bella, Dee Dee,
Yeah.
Sally,
Kat, Skylar, Harmony, and then Neela, and then Callie, Willow, Britt, and Rain. I love Skylar's hair. I want to do that on my hair.
the ones with the heart are the
Or Kat. Kat has nice hair.
Yeah. Oh, the ones with the heart are the signature look.
Okay.
The ones with the diamond, the green diamond are rare.
Like this.
Kasi-
There.
Let us show this.
Yeah.
Those are the rare ones, and the ones with the blue heart are the ultra rare. So we have rain showers. Rain showers over here, down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's an ultra rare.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'm mesmerized. I was
Yes,
like,
and then super Nila over here. This one, she is a rare one.
Ooh,
All the
that's
others
cool.
are, I think, signature
Like
looks.
here, Royal Bella is also a rare one.
Yeah.
As you can see, it has a diamond.
Okay, so let's start.
I'm really
unboxing.
mesmerized. So,
Yeah.
based on like our background, I guess we'll probably get someone from the beach.
Yeah, someone
Yeah.
from wearing a beach attire or something.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll do the number one first, of course.
Okay, push and pull.
Ooh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
What is this we have here? And it's
Aren't we gonna get her? No. No, I'm just asking.
maybe.
Maybe we can.
I was like, maybe.
What's a cool?
Oh, this is the sticker.
Yeah.
That's
We
the
have
sticker.
diamonds and stars.
And then we have the comb for her hair.
Yeah.
That's so, I really want her hair. I swear it looks so big and luscious. Like
Okay.
majestic. Majestic. where do I get started with that? Okay, here's the other one, number 2. So what do we get from number 2? We'll find out. What is this? Ooh, okay.
More stickers.
That's her phone.
It's for
Yeah.
food.
Okay,
Okay.
that's cool.
See that.
And then we have flip-flops.
Alright, yes.
Flip-flops.
Definitely from the beach.
Yeah.
Peel, peel, and then fold.
Flops. Wait.
Oh, we have to peel this one and then just fold it so it looks like she has her phone.
Yeah. Flip-flops. Okay. And then moving on to number 3. And then, ooh, that's the girl crush I have because like her hair. So nice. So nice.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
Oh, it's
We have a camera.
much like the one that we're using right now.
Yeah. Okay. We have her camera as an accessory, I guess. And maybe we'll get her.
Well, I hope so because she has pink hair.
This is a postcard. I can send the mail to my mom
I think
now.
it's still a sticker.
Yeah, a sticker. Okay. Then number 4. Number 4 is the biggest blind box. Not compared to the doll.
Aside from the doll.
Yeah, aside from the doll.
Okay.
What is this? Oh, it's a luggage. Can we open it? Can we open it?
I don't
No,
think
we can't.
so. Yeah, maybe, most probably.
Oh,
yeah.
there you go.
Oh, you can put the flip-flops in the camera. And
Can
not
you?
The camera.
Isn't it too small?
Flip-flop.
Okay, we place it there. And we get another sticker from the thingy. And probably to get her. Maybe. But I don't know. Let's check it out.
Let's hope so. Da-da-da-da.
Okay.
Da-da-da-da.
It's a big one. It's a big...
It is.
yeah.
Aw.
That's so cute. So excited.
Okay. Oh, I don't know because I can feel her.
Okay. Oh,
We just had to
really?
feel
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Okay, you can pull that. Oh, no, you don't have. Oh, there she is.
Oh, the hair is behind.
Yeah, the hair is. It's so big. Oh, there. Sky. Yeah, can you. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, and she has purple
Oh my
eyebrows and purple eyes.
We got her signature look
Oh
because
my
it has the heart.
God.
Yeah. Right, it won't focus. There. We have the heart.
I'll put her flip-flops on.
We have her. I'm so happy. I'm really
Oh, these are slides, not
really
flip-flops.
happy. I'm really
Oh, these are slides, not flip-flops.
happy.
Okay, got it.
Nicole's ignoring me because I'm so excited. I wanted her Sun and Skylar because look at the shades. It so pretty. Can you see it? Can you see it? There you go. I saw the noise. He's like,
What's
can you
your
see it? Skylar!
Just asking. Okay, so I've attached that, her camera, her and her flip-flops. So adorable. She has really big hair. And it's so soft, you guys. I want more.
Oh no, sorry. We didn't get her signature one. We just got the normal one. But still, it's my hair
band
crush.
Ah, yeah.
Hair crush. What
There
are
you
you doing?
go.
Bye.
I wanted to make her stand up. Yeah.
No, that's what people look like when they're trying to take a good photo.
Yeah.
Like, squatting and doing weird poses just to get that perfect photo.
There you go.
My goodness.
So cute.
We got my girl crush. I'm so happy. The hair, I mean, honestly, the difference between the dark hair and then her highlight purple is like so.
There you go.
Bam!
Bam.
Bam! Go get it, girl.
Where's her comb? You can comb her hair. Then yes, you can comb her hair. And maybe just make sure that it's just bending.
You have a lot of split hands,
Hands? Your hands are split. Much like your foot. Now
You have a lot of
feet.
split ends. I think you should have it treated, even if you have a big hair like that.
Go to the salon. Look at her. What are you doing? I want more. I want more of these because they have big hair and her hair is so
I
soft.
want her hair.
I swear, it's so pretty.
Okay, I will just try to fold this.
Yes, so she has her phone.
It's technically a sticker.
Sticker. Sticker.
Just try to perfect that, but I couldn't. Sorry, I failed you guys. There you go.
She's so cute.
There you go. Look, that's her phone back case. That's her phone. Haha! Here.
Now she can call. Don't stick it on her forehead or her eye. She's about to fall down. That's what photographers do. They bend over, then they do yoga squats or yoga position just to get the proper picture that they needed.
Yeah.
Anyway, and so this is our first, but definitely not the last Hairdorables doll that we're gonna get.
Because of her big hair, it probably has magical powers and it will use her
She'll
hair.
turn into a unicorn later. Okay.
Okay, so there you have it. Our very first Hairdorables.
Not the last, definitely.
Full of surprises. Big surprise, like her big hair. Oh, maybe that's their caption next. The bigger the hair, the bigger the surprise.
Bye, guys!
Have a magical.
Comment down below if you have one of these Hairdorables and which one you have. And we'll see you in our next video.
Okay, bye.
Bye!
Have a magical day.